Lovies, welcome back. Today I have something special to share with you. A couple weeks ago, I was asked to do a review by a company named Paper Sunday. And Paper Sunday makes personalized Bible journals and personalized Bible planners, if you will. And I was more than happy to get on board with that. And they sent me this big list of all the things that I could choose from, and if I wanted a planner or if I wanted a Bible journal. And they also send you this big wheel to let you pick what your cover is going to be, so that not only is it personalized to you, but it's also personalized to your taste and your colors and what you're looking for. And I was so conflicted, if you will, between the two covers. I really I'm so ready for spring. I have spring fever so bad. So I was like, I really want something springy, if that's a word. But I also wanted my all-time favorite. They had flip-flops. They had a flip-flop cover. And I know for my OG lovies, you guys know that I'm obsessed with flip-flops and sunglasses. But being in the spring mood won out, and I chose my personal cover to be this absolute gorgeous spring cover. And it has like these little birds and bird nests on it, like little robin eggs, and these beautiful blue and pink flowers. The scarf totally goes. Like, I'm just totally inspired by it, and it's just absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful size. And then the reason also that these are personalized, not only do you get to like pick your cover and like what really speaks to you color wise and whatever you have going on, and believe me, they had so many choices to choose for your cover, not only for a journal or a planner. But the reason why your journal is personalized is because it has personalized scripture, and the front of your journal says that it belongs to you, which is absolutely beautiful. And to open up a journal and it has scripture at the bottom of it and your name is in the scripture, it just gives me so much internal peace. It is so beautiful. It's so inspirational. And it's not just like one scripture at the beginning of your journal or one scripture at the beginning of your planner. Every single page has a scripture that is personalized to you. So every time you're going to use your planner or your journal, it is personalized to you. And I love that, because when I get into my Bible study, I can use my stickers and write what I'm studying, and then have this like 2 pages where I can just write down what I'm feeling, what I feel like God's showing me. I can journal off of the scripture that's at the bottom of the page. Just whatever's going on in my life that I want to put in here, I just think is absolutely beautiful. I love that I got this at the beginning, kind of towards the beginning of the year, because I think one of these would be fantastic to go throughout the whole year with. So you have a Bible journal that you can have for the whole year of 2020 and everything God spoke to you in 2020, with these beautiful personalized scriptures down at the bottom. And the paper is nice and thick. It's beautifully bound. I love it. It's a really nice size. I'm so thrilled with this. I am so excited that Paper Sunday reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to review one of their journals or one of their planners. And I'm so excited that I chose their journal. And this is such a great companion to take to church. Because look how little, it's not little, but it's not huge by any standard. This is no bigger than my Bible that I would be taking to church. Perfect little companion to take my Bible and my journal with me. So not only can I take notes while I'm at church in this journal, but I'm also can come home and then expand off of what I heard in church and journal about it. And then I will have a beautiful Bible journal for the year 2020. So if you are interested in having a deeper walk with God, really diving deep into scripture and really finding out what God is saying to you in 2020, what scripture is important to you, I would totally encourage you to check out Paper Sunday and pick up one of their journals. They are reasonably priced. I'm going to leave all of their links down below. It is such a refreshing, beautiful thing to open up your journal every day and there's a scripture that is personalized to you. That is just, it's beautiful. Like when I first opened it, it almost brought me to tears. And I love, love, love that not only is the scripture personalized to you, but that you can also, you know, out of their color wheel and their designs and things like that, you can totally make it how you want it to be, whatever's really appealing to you to have your covers done in. Now, I have the journal. I have never held the planner in my hand, but if you go down and check their links on their website, you'll be able to see pages of both. And what I saw on their website of their planner, it is like a very typical planner, but at the bottom they have personalized scripture. So you can have your planning all dedicated to, of course, what you're doing in a week, but you also could have Bible study planning, and you can get those awesome Bible study stickers that Michael's always has a ton of, and you can just have a blast with your planning. So I don't have one to show you or share with you because that's not what I chose, but if you really are into the planning more than you are into the journaling, they have you covered. So please go check out their website down below. I really, really think that you will be totally pleased that you did, because these are absolutely beautiful. I am very pleased and tickled pink with mine. I look forward to getting up every single morning with my cup of coffee, of course, and my Bible journal and my Bible, and just allowing the Lord to speak to me. So if that is something that you are really interested in doing, Paper Sunday has you covered. I just love that teal at the top, and then your scripture is down here at the bottom. So you have lots of space to write. It's wonderfully bound. It has a plastic, let me show you, I don't know if it'll open or not. Yeah, it has a plastic covering over the front page, so it's not going to get ruined on you. It's well covered. It's well taken care of. Like, you're good to go. So you have one in the front and a plastic covering in the back, so your journal is going to last you for the year. The wear and tear is not going to show on your cover, which is just like another little added bonus. So I just wanted to pop on here real quick because I care about you lovies, and I know that many of you, we've had many conversations who are very interested in pursuing a deeper walk and a deeper relationship with the Lord, and I really thought I would share this for those of you who are in that category, or even of those who are just looking for a really good journal and need some inspiration. This works too, because it's a beautiful journal. You get to customize it, and there's some wonderful things at the bottom of the page that's totally encouraging for you. So whatever place you're at, this journal will work for you. And I wanted to share it with all of you guys. So if you're interested, please check out their links down below. Go browse, go see the planner, go see the journals, go see their wheel of colors and all of the designs that they have, that you can totally make this your own. I love mine and I use it all the time, and I cannot thank Paper Sunday enough. I really, really, really hope they get the recognition that they deserve, because this could change people's lives, and I really do believe that. Not just saying that. They're not paying me to give them a good review or anything like that. They simply just wanted to send me one and give my honest review. And my honest review is I'm very pleased with mine. I would definitely recommend them to all of my friends, to all of my loved ones. I already have intentions of buying 2 or 3 of these for some special people in my life. So that is my honest review. That's it for me today, guys. Again, thank you so much, Paper Sunday, for your beautiful gift, and I'm very happy with what I chose and what you have sent me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider giving it big thumbs up and subscribing. It really, really helps my channel out, and I have so many more things to share with you guys. There's a couple more things that are coming up that are exciting. I'm going to be doing a review on a new camera and a new ring light that some other people have been sending me. And I know for those YouTuber wannabes, I have so many people saying, I really want to start a YouTube channel, but I don't know where to begin. These products are fantastic to get your YouTube channel started, and I can't wait to share them with all of you, because I think it'll answer a lot of those questions. So right now is a great time to subscribe. Plus, spring is upon us this Sunday. we get to spring forward in our time, daylight savings time. So I have lots and lots of spring DIYs floating around in this brain that I just wanted to get going. Plus my bedroom overhaul is right around the corner. So this is a perfect time to subscribe and become a Subbie Lovie. We would love to have you. But I'm gonna go now, guys. I hope you're blessed. I hope you have a wonderful day. As always, please take care of you. Always do what you love and do it large. Be good to one another. Love you. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, lovies.